Motive fleet management and equipment monitoring can make your business safer, more productive, and more profitable. In this video, we'll show you how Motive helps you control compliance. Then you'll see how Motive helps reduce fuel costs and improve fleet efficiency. We'll close by looking at a few time-saving maintenance features. Let's jump into Motive's Compliance Hub, which puts you in control of all your compliance-related tasks, from driver logs to trips and inspections. Motive helps you prioritize corrective action by highlighting severe HOS violations, form and manner errors, and drivers with the most log issues. Managing unidentified trips is easy. Face Match, a feature available on Motive's dual-facing AI dashcam, uses advanced AI to accurately identify drivers with dashcam images. CSA Insights integrates CSA data directly from the FMCSA, so you can proactively manage risk in one dashboard. The result? Fewer HOS violations, few inspection issues, and less time spent troubleshooting productivity. Motive identifies precise ways to lower your fuel expenses. You can see insights into the efficiency and utilization of all your vehicles. Easily spot and correct wasteful behaviors like over RPM, hard braking, and average speed. Then coach your drivers on ways to save money and fuel. See a live view of which vehicles are idling. Motive highlights whether it's productive or non-productive idling, giving you another way to improve efficient habits. Motive customers can reduce fuel costs by 10% with these few simple tools. Maintenance takes up a lot of time. Because Motive puts inspections and scheduled service in one place, maintenance takes less time. You can build your own inspection templates or start with one of our pre-configured ones. Motive's standard templates match common regulatory requirements for vehicles. We also give you options for asset inspections right in the same area. Customize the inspection to indicate whether drivers need to complete a previous inspection first. Attach photos, include required information, and much more. For each part, you can add detailed instructions. You can even list defects and indicate whether they're considered severe to help drivers quickly make selections. Add a signature block for the driver or operator and the fleet manager to sign off on the inspection. Once someone creates an inspection in the driver app, it appears here in the Maintenance tab. Click on an inspection to see more details, add notes, and resolve it. Motive captures the length of time spent on the inspection, from when the form was opened to when it was submitted. Location information helps with planning repairs at nearby workshops. With Motive, you can stay ahead of issues with your vehicles and equipment. Minimize downtime by creating maintenance alerts based on engine hours, distance traveled, or time intervals. See programmed maintenance activities in the Schedules tab. You can edit them here. Indicate the type of service that was performed, add notes, and attach documents for records. Once the service note is entered, it's now part of that vehicle's history. Motive customers cut maintenance costs by 20% and save 11.4 hours weekly on managing vehicle repairs and downtime. To learn more about Motive fleet management and equipment monitoring, visit gomotive.com.